The next thing that we were concerned about and we wanted to start using Unifize for was implementing the corrective action risk assessment portion of our quality management system, as well as change control too. Uploading all of our previous change control and CARA history was done fairly quickly. After a lot of discussion with the Unifize team, we're able to get that portion rolled out within 3-4 weeks. I mean, we were surprised because we didn't think that we were going to be able to use Unifize effectively for 3-6 months. Our experience, while we haven't done rollouts for electronic quality management systems in the past. We've done rollouts for other software rollouts for other aspects of our business, for our CRMs, for our ERPs, and the rollout for those types of systems, even with the support of the dev team on hand, could take 6, 8, 10, sometimes a year and a half before people can start using it and understand it effectively. So the fact that we were able to take Unifize and start using it for some of our most important quality management processes within just a few weeks was a big win for us.